Hello everybody, this is PC Windows Online, and as you can see here, I have got the iPad 3, or the new iPad, anything you want to call it, I've got it. As you can see, I'm zooming in now, and you can not even see any pixels at all. This is a HD video, hopefully this will go in HD on YouTube, but as you can see from the screen, it is amazing. I don't usually say this about products, but this is an innovation. It's so good, and the screen, even from every angle, it just looks great. As you can see, I'm trying to move it around now without it juttering. It just looks great. So, what most people want to know is what apps I've got in here, so I'm just going to show you. So, you usually get the standard apps on here, which is Messages, Calendar, Photos, Reminder, Maps, YouTube, which needs rebranding because it's not even got the brand on there. It needs updating, that app as well. So that's my thoughts on the YouTube one. I've got my videos, which I've downloaded from iTunes. My contacts, not got any contacts at the minute. Game Center, that's a great way of connecting to other users of the Game Center of any iOS device. iTunes, where you can purchase movies and stuff like that. Newsstand, where you can get your best newspapers or magazines. FaceTime, where you can connect to others by the camera. It's mostly like Skype, but it's only on iOS devices. Camera, that's great. You know what camera is. Photo booth is just with taking silly pictures like this. Well, I would put my face there, but I can't because I'm recording off this phone. You can go out by doing this. This is a new thing. Well, it's new in iOS 5. You can do that to go out, or you can just press that home button there. But I'm going to do that because it looks cooler. Settings. This is where it gets complicated. I'm not going to show you all the settings at the minute, but they're the settings. You don't really need to know about that. iBooks is a great way of reading new books. The prices are a bit of a rip-off, but you can actually have a preview of the book, which is quite nice. You can also copy them. If you don't understand a word, factoring cameras. Should we go for shades? We don't know what that means, so we just highlight it. So it comes up like this, and it says define, highlight, no, search. So I'm going to define. I don't know what it means. Define. So then it comes up with what it means. Which is great, and you can search the web for it, or you could go on Wikipedia. I'm going to go back. That was iBooks, which is great if you like reading books. Google, I really like this app from Google, which they released a long time ago, so I'm just going to search for YouTube. So there we go. That's how simple it was, by just doing a voice thing. The YouTube webpage for the iPad is not great, but it'll do. So that was the Google thing. You can search, or you can just go, or you can just type anything like that, and it saves all your data, and you can sign into your account if you need to. Go back. Twitter, this is a great app on the iPad. I really like this app, and I'll show you how it works now. So if we go to any thing like we want to go to this one, and it comes up with this side thing. So if we don't want that anymore, we can just swipe it to the side like that, and then an animation comes up. It usually does like that. You can see it there. An animation comes up like that, which shows that you're swiping back and forth. Then, so if we wanted to retweet that, there is the retweet button up there. The reply, the favourite button, and then sharing even more. So if we wanted to share that on Facebook or anything like that. So then at the side we have the timeline, mentions, messages, lists, profile, and search. So in the search bit you have all your trending topics. and your top tweets. So we're just going to come out of that now. Then you have your Facebook app. I'm not going to show you that because I've got all my friends on there and I don't want to show you them. iTunes U is basically an educational app, mostly for universities and stuff like that. I didn't find myself using it that much. Vivo HD is great. I'll go in, the apps I like the most, I'll go into more in detail and do you reviews. This is just showing you what I like about it. It's a great design. You have your features at the top, and then you have what's hot down here, and it's just really, it's really HD and it's really clear, and I love it. So that's that. TV guide, you know what TV guide is. It's like, it's really easy if you don't want to buy the paper one anymore, and it's free. Ninja Fruit HD Lite, that is great. Yep, go and download that if you want. Skype for the iPad, I've not tried that out yet, but I will. Now I've done a folder here. You can do that by just highlighting one you want and then dragging it into the other. I didn't know how to do that, but I just tested it out and I did it. So if we go on the, I've renamed this Demand Apps, because it's all the demand services: BBC iPlayer, ITV Player, 4D Catch Up, TV Catch Up, and Sky Go and Demand on 5. They're all the UK Catch Up apps at the moment. BBC News is really great, and Sky News for getting all my news updates, and they're really simple to use and really clear and crisp. I love this. I got it on my phone first, on my HTC Black Android, and it basically gets anything you want from a web page and puts it into kind of like a magazine format and like a newspaper format, as you can see. So the sun's here, and anything we want to tap on, so then we can see the photos as well. You can switch through them. It's just really great experience to be on. Go back by going on home, and then I've got loads, what's trending, and stuff like that. That's a great app. I really recommend it. It's called Google Currents. Could have come up with a better name than that, but that's what it's called. Netflix. There's loads of reviews about this on YouTube about Netflix. But on the iPad, it just seems just so nice just to watch a film while you're in bed or while you're just relaxing. It's right at the at your fingertips, really. You can search for anything you want. The content on here is just the same as you would get on your PlayStation 3 or your laptop. So as you can see, you've got loads of films there, and by just swiping through you can select one you want. So I'm going to go for Dead Set. So you just tap on it, and then you can go through the episodes by season. So there's only one season of this. And then it shows me which one I've actually keep watching. So I'm on this one, current episode. So I can just select that, and I can start playing straight away. I'm not going to show you all of it because of the copyright and all that. You can watch it on landscape mode or portrait, which is great. And the quality of it is HD on some of them. So there we go. I'm not going to show you all of it. So that was Netflix. Please download that because it's great. Gmail, because I have a Gmail account, and I have another email account here, which is my Hotmail, which they set up for me. Angry Birds HD, we all know about that. Love it, Angry Birds. Now this is one I actually purchased? I can't even say that. Anyway, off the Apple Store. Because what it does, iSwifter, what it does is play Flash content on your iPad. So let's say that there's a website. Not saying it's a legal website, but if it's a website what's got Flash on it and they've not got an app for it yet, then you can get it on iSwifter. So if I just... So let's say they didn't have the ITV Player app yet. Then we could go on this website, Okay then, because it's not a UK thing. Right, so if we went on, let's say, CNET videos. I don't know if CNET's got a video player yet for it, but we'll test this. So here we go, we've got a video loading up here. And remember, this is Flash. The only problem with it...
It's Sunday, April 29th. I'm Emily Dreyfus for CNET. Check out Google Drive for Android.
The only problem with it is there's no functionality for skipping through the video. As you can see at the bottom, you can't do that at the moment because it's actually just off another web browser. It's off a Firefox web browser, but it's really useful if you've got a Flash player basically inside your iPad. That was the only reason I really didn't want to buy the iPad, because it had no Flash on it. But with that app, it's amazing, and I can get I can watch Flash videos on there. Vimeo is so nice on the iPad. It's really nice. I can't show you too much because I'm running out of time, because I've talked too much about it. Veto, if you don't know what that is, search it on Google Earth, we know what that is. Instagram is not updated for the iPad yet, so we get the iPhone version, but you know what Instagram is. That is really nice. The graphics on this is very nice. YouTube, that's just another version of it. And that's a camera app, and that's a camera app. That's a racing game. It's pretty good, but I'd rather go for the paid version of that, Real Racing. But anyway, weather app. The graphics on here could be better, but what you get is free. That's quite good. Temple Run, I'm addicted to that. We all know about that. That's another racing game. Single Poker, addicting, obviously. This is a great app. It's an alarm clock. I actually got this off an iPad subscription on iTunes. I can't remember the name, but they're really good. I like their shows. Smash Cops is really hard. Fatty HD, funny. UK TV, I paid for that just to get some more UK shows, and a Britain's Got Talent app. So that's all the apps I've got on my iPad at the moment. There's probably going to be some more going on, some more paid ones like Infinity Blade and iMovie to edit my movies when I'm on vacation or on holiday, whatever. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any more videos about the iPad or anything like that, please send me a message or comment below. If you want any more information on it or anything like that, please send me a message. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.